If you want to mute background music or sound effects in Free Fire, do these. First of all, open Free Fire on your Android phone. From the lobby, tap the gear icon or the settings icon in the top right corner. Now select the sound tab shown by the speaker icon on the left side. Here you will see sliders for music and sound effects. To mute everything, drag both sliders all the way to the left until they reach 0. This will completely turn off Free Fire's music and in-game sounds. If sound is still coming from your phone, you can also fix it from Android settings. Open your phone settings, go to sounds and vibration or system sound. From here, disable any unwanted system sounds or notification noises. That's it. Now you can play Free Fire without distractions or record gameplay with clean audio. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment for more Free Fire pro tips.